students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, if y is equals to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, then prove that x square d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equals to 0. So to prove this, what we'll do? First we'll find dy by dx. We already have y. We'll find dy by dx and we'll find d2y by dx square, and we'll put everything in this left hand side of the equation, and we'll try to make it to be equals to 0. That is our RHS, and hence the equation will be proved. So what we'll do, first we'll find dy by dx. From this given equation we have y in terms of x, so we can find dy by dx, which is the first differentiation of this equation. Now 3 is constant, so it will remain outside the differentiation. And differentiation of cos of something means differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So differentiation of cos of log x will be minus of sin log x into d theta we write, but here we have differentiation of log x. So we'll multiply with differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So this is known as chain rule, if you remember, right? So this is our differentiation of first term. Now second term we have is this. So 4 is constant, it will remain outside the differentiation, and differentiation of sin of log x will be cos of log x, and multiply with differentiation of log x, which is function inside the function. So 1 upon x, correct? So this we can write. So since 1 upon x is there in both of the terms, so what we'll do? We'll make it a common denominator. So minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x divided by x. This is our dy by dx. So this is our first equation that we'll remember, and we'll substitute in the last. Okay. Now we will find d2y by dx square, which is second differentiation, d2y by dx square. So we are supposed to differentiate this. So this is something u by v rule. If you remember the differentiation by uv rule, it is something like d of u by v. Let me first show you that. Okay, so d of u by v is equals to v square as it is. V square will, the denominator square will put, and then this denominator will write as it is, and differentiation of other term du, then u as it is, differentiation of v. So this is how we differentiate in u by v rule. Okay, so similar way we will differentiate this equation, which is our d2y by dx square. So denominator, which is x, here it was b, right? So it converted into v square. Here it is x, so it will convert into x square, correct? Now this x will remain as it is, and will differentiate the term which is the numerator here. So differentiation of this entire term. So differentiation of minus 3 will remain outside, correct? And differentiation of sin of log x will be cos of log x, and differentiation of log x will be 1 upon x, correct? Now plus 4 times cos of log x, differentiation of, so 4 will remain as it is, and cos, differentiation of cos will be minus sin of log x, and then differentiation of log x, correct? Now minus times other term as it is, the numerator as it is will write, and will multiply with the differentiation of x. So differentiation of x will be 1, so we'll simply write the numerator here directly. So minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos of log x into differentiation of x will be 1, correct? Now we have dx, we have d2y by, we have dy by dx, and we have d2y by dx square. Now we'll put everything in the final equation. Okay, now we'll put everything in our final equation. Final equation we have is x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y, this we are supposed to prove 2 equals to 0. So what we'll do in this, we'll put everything correct. So we have d2y by dx square, so x square into this entire term. So if we'll try to simplify this, so here x and x will cancel out, correct? And this will become like minus 3 cos of log x and minus 4 cos of log x. So minus 7 cos of log x, correct? Minus 4 sin of log x plus 3 sin of log x will become minus sin of log x divided by x square. So this is our d2y by dx square, correct? So we'll put that thing here as it is, minus 7 cos of log x minus sin of log x, whole thing divided by x square plus x of dy by dx is here, so x multiply by minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x divided by x and plus y is equals to, if you'll see here, y is equals to 3 cos of log x 4 sin of log x. So y is equals to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, correct? Let me see it once again. 3 cos of log x and 4 sin of log x, correct? Now we'll evaluate this. Now we will try to evaluate this, okay? This will be equals to x square and x square will cancel out and x will cancel out. So here it will become minus 7 cos of log x minus sin of log x minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x plus 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, correct? So 4 cos of log x plus 3 cos of log x, 7 cos of log x and minus 7 cos of log x will become 0. So this will cancel out, this 2, and minus sin of log x minus 3 sin of log x. So minus 4 sin of log x plus 4 sin of log x, it will become 0. So this will also cancel out. So everything is cancelled out. So finally we are getting 0, which is our RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS, and I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.